Hi everyone, I am here to talk to you today about EdPuzzle. EdPuzzle is a free website which allows you to enhance and edit video content. You can choose a video, give it your magic touch by recording audio over the entire length of the video. You can record audio notes at certain points in a video segment, chop the video into smaller segments, and insert questions that can either be open-ended or multiple choice. EdPuzzle allows you to assign videos to your class with options to add due dates and block skipping ahead of the video. Another good part about EdPuzzle is to reinforce accountability with your students. You can check to see if your students are watching your videos and how many times they have watched each section and if they are understanding the content. Your students can be engaged by self-pacing their learning with interactive videos. It also saves time for you as the teacher from looking up videos on YouTube or other sorts of media. Everything is right here in EdPuzzle. Now let's get logged into EdPuzzle and show you some more of the features that EdPuzzle provides. To log into EdPuzzle, you will click the login screen. I am a teacher, and as a teacher, I'm going to sign in with Google using my school account. Once you log in, it will take you to your Discover screen. This is where you can search videos across any subject area, grade level area, or you can use anything that you see on the screen. Let's say we are teaching volume to 5th grade math students. I'm going to type in the search bar, volume, click search, and see what I can find. As you scroll through the videos, you will see their main screen, their title, and who is the last person to use them. You can also see how many questions each video contains. Oh, I see one right here, 5th grade math. We are going to go ahead and click on this video. You can preview the video before you show your students to make sure it is grade level and age level appropriate. To do that, all you have to do is click on the play button. As you watch the video, you will see what the questions are that the video will ask. On the right-hand side, you can see at what minute spot in the video the questions appear. I've already watched this video and I can tell you that it is grade level appropriate. So to save the video under my own account, I am going to click the copy button. This tells me that EdPuzzle copied it to my content. Now I need to go find my content. I will click the EdPuzzle button again, click on my content, and there it is. Now to assign this video to my students, I will have to click on the video, click the Assign button, and I have integrated my Google Classroom in with my EdPuzzle account. So I will find my Mahoney Math 21-22 school year students. I will check the box to the left, and I will click Assign. But before I do that, I want to make sure that it is available to them immediately, and I want them to complete this video no later than Friday the 8th. This gives them a full week to complete this assignment. Now I can assign it to them. And it is assigned. As the students work, you will be able to see how far along they are on their progress and if they have the assignment turned in. You will also be able to see the questions with the correct and incorrect answers. Now to show you what it looks like when your students have completed an EdPuzzle, we can click on the activity. It will show us if they have 100% watched it, what grade they got, the date they completed it, and the date they turned it in. This will show you your grades along with any incomplete work. One last helpful tool about EdPuzzle is that if you go back to your content folder, you will see all the videos you have ever saved or used in the past. So if you want to reuse something you have used in the past with a new grade level or a new school year, you can go back and find that video and just reassign it to the new group of students. We'll go back to our EdPuzzle homepage, and that is the great tool of EdPuzzle.